Also gonna unbox some stuff that I've picked up to help increase my focus drive on this monk mode challenge. Let's get it. So, all right, so opening this shit up. First thing, we got a book. Y'all see that? This book is Nikola Tesla, My Life, My Research. You know your boy is reading, right? So, going to read this book. This young, fine man on top, you know, learn the wisdom, have a great conversation. That's what reading is, boys, is having conversations with the greatest men of history. So, you know, your boy trying to climb up that ladder. You know, we gotta level up. So it's not about like, you know, completing your objective of the goal, right? It's about the person you become on the journey, right? So peep that. Got another package. And this shit should be some we got a pop filter, yo, for the Blue Yeti for unwanted noise and pure sound. So got that. And this right here is an incense stick holder. So this is gonna help me do deep focused work. Right here, gonna put an incense stick, insert it into these holes right here. Y'all can see that, put an incense stick in this and light it up, and then, right, breathing is focus, right? So that's why we got this. Pop filter, book, last box. So I also ordered a Panda journal, which came with an app, which I was too stunned to speak about. And I thought I ordered the wrong thing, like the wrong item came, but it was actually just the planner legit. I don't even know if I got the right item, yo. Now this, I think it was supposed to be a planner. Hopefully it still is a planner. Okay, we got, so last item, boys, we got the Panda planner. We got the wipe, came with its own pen. And yeah, excited to use this, plan out my goals for the month, and literally just plot for success. It's got monthly, morning routine, grateful today's wins, how I'll improve, schedule. Got everything out here, baby. From 5 to 9, weekly goals. And there's no date, right? So, feels good. And literally you can erase shit. Got that. The best part, I must admit, is you can track and scan everything on your app with your phone. So it's legit, boys. And we got camera lens cleaner. Self-explanatory, boys, for that one. And we got like a power outlet that has USB ports in it as well, right? So that's sick. And it has 4 switches. So that's crazy. Look at that. We got Amazon saving the day. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Monk mode challenge about to go down. Can't wait to use the incense sticks, put them in here, and literally be focused as fuck while I'm working. And just zoned in. But make sure y'all give this video a like, comment, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. And we taking over big time. Like, stay tuned with all the IG boys, read the captions, and yeah, man, keep up with your boy. And I promise you, watching the journey is gonna be exciting. Let's get it!